So topic for the day, like you already know the topic for the day. So today we are gonna do a role play also. Okay. So as the topic for the day is if I were a prime minister, something like that, now. So
Okay.
uh, my first question to you is, what will you do if you become a prime minister for a day?
For only a day
Yeah,
or
just a
only
few
one
days.
day?
You
Okay,
can't
just
be prime
for
minister
few
for
days.
90 years, no? Okay. Let's imagine you will be the prime minister for say 10 years. Fine.
10 years. Wow. So suppose if I were a prime minister for 10 years, then first of all, as soon as I become prime minister, then I first of all I would like to organize a meeting. Okay, and in that meeting I will try to ponder the thing. Okay, so what is happening? What is the scarcity in country? So okay, I will discuss all the thing, and after that I will make so many plan for that to improve our India situation.
Yes, that's good. That's
Yeah,
good. I think the same thing I will also do. Obviously, if
mm,
you're the prime minister, then obviously you're gonna think about your country first. Your first
yeah,
priority will give to your country and to your members, and then Indians and all. So that's the thing. Yeah,
yeah,
that's a very good thing, man. So, uh, next question to you is, how will you tackle with poverty?
yeah. Actually, tackling poverty is not so easy. It is not a work of some few days. Okay, it will take so many days to tackle with poverty. Okay, but first of all, I would like to generate some work for the poor. Okay, so that
Mhm.
they would be able to work, and after that they will earn some money and they will run their
Yeah,
family. Okay,
right.
so for that i
Mhm.
will i will insist in Manrega or anything, or I will try to open some new factories. Okay, so in this way I can generate some employee or anything.
Yeah, right. So basically,
Yeah,
you want to say that you want to generate employment by
yeah,
which you can. Yeah.
as I think that
Hmm.
only feeding people, feeding poor is not a solution. Okay,
Yes.
just we have to do something so that the poor can get so many things from that, right?
Yeah.
It is not a
Yes.
solution that you will give some food to poor men and then they will eat and after that they will sleep and they will be
Mm.
relaxed. Okay, so I think
Yes.
that is not a solution,
I
right?
think feeding is just a temporary solution. It's not a permanent one. So yeah, that's the
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Suppose
Hmm.
an epidemic comes, then
Hmm.
in that situation I will try to feed the poor. Okay, it is
Yeah.
a different situation. Yeah,
Yes. Yeah, but right. Even you can't feed like every day because you're not someone who is earning 10
yeah,
CR per day or 50 lakhs per day. So you can't
mm,
feed
mm,
everyone, you know, and in
yeah,
and every day. So that's not a very practical way, and I think it's
mm,
not possible also. For few days,
yeah,
for
yeah,
few weeks, you can do it, but not for
yeah,
years and years. So that's the thing right now.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
What will you do to generate more employment?
Okay, so to generate more and more employment, first of all, I will try to give some vacancy for government employee. Okay,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
after
Yeah.
that, as I told you, that I will try to open some private companies, private factories. Okay, because we know very well that it is not possible for us to give job to all the persons. Okay, it is not possible and especially in government sector. Okay,
Yeah.
so for that I will try to open some factories or anything so that the
Mhm.
youth can get job from there, right?
Right,
Yeah.
right, right.
Mm.
Great, thank you. And you know what, Nayan, on this note, I would like to tell you one thing that nowadays we are having this AI, artificial intelligence. Now everything is
Okay.
online and all. So, do you support this idea that every should be online and robots should take place, AI? So,
Okay.
what would you like to say on this? Do you support
Yeah.
this idea? You know, like
Actually, I
if you want,
don't.
I can give you an
Yeah.
example. Have you understood my question, or it's fine?
Yeah, I understood. Actually, I don't want robot to do all the thing in the place of man. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
actually they should be made for another purpose, but it doesn't matter. It shouldn't be that the robot will do all the work of man. Okay, so in this way they may they may capture our job. I will try to promote the robot for some special place, not for each and every place.
Yeah, I think that then then it will be a very nice step taken by you. Okay. So now my next question to you is, what steps you will take for hygiene and to keep the environment clean?
Yeah, actually keeping hygiene and keeping cleanness of country is not so easy, and it is not the work of a single man. Okay, so in
Yes.
this way, I will try to spread awareness that we should keep our country clean. And you know what happens nowadays? The people or citizen are not, the citizen is not supporting our India to keep it clean. Okay, so I think
Mm-hmm.
unless and until everyone tries for that, it is not possible for us. Okay,
Yeah.
so I
Yes.
will try to spread awareness for that. And actually, we know very well that we are using so many things. Okay, that is not necessary to use. We can replace it by another thing. Okay, so in this way, I will try to replace the thing that so that our environment can be so clean, right?
Yes. 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 So
Yeah.
I also agree with this. Not only you can do it, but I think everyone should participate. When everyone
Yeah.
will participate, then the things will be quite easy.
Hmm. Hmm.
Right now.
The whole country is a different thing. Okay, for example, in a family there are four members. Means only one of them,
Mhm.
if he used to clean the home, the house. Okay, so I'm sure that he can't keep his house clean unless all member
Right.
will help them, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Very well.
So it is same in country.
Yes, the same fundamental can apply to this also. So yeah, right on this.
So, but first of all, I would try to change some rules. What has been going so far? So our India is transforming to become a modern India. Okay, but
Yeah.
even that, there are some rules that are still going, and we don't need the rule. Okay, so first of all, I
Like
would I would try to modify the rules, right?
what kind of rules? Like what rules?
Yeah,
Any example?
actually, yeah, there are many rules. So for example, the reservation. Okay,
Yes,
you
yes,
know what
yes.
is reservation nowadays? Actually, it depends on caste. Okay, but I want it should be
Mhm.
depend on means economical condition, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it doesn't matter that some families belong to higher caste. Okay, but their condition, their situation, their economical
Yes.
situation is not so good. So I think they deserve the reservation, but it is our unfortunate that they are not getting the benefits. Okay,
Yeah,
so
like
in this
mhm.
way, I think we should think for that, and after that, we should get a solution for that, right?
Yeah,
And there are
yes.
there are yeah, and there are many rules also. Suppose for the police department or for the defense, okay, we are wearing the same uniform what had been given by British. Okay, but i
Yeah,
think uh, i think
that's
people can't feel it, but I think that the policemen are not so comfortable in their uniform. Okay, so I think their uniform should be changed a little somewhat,
yeah.
right? So as there are so many rules, there are so many examples, but I think it is not coming in mind, it is not coming in my mind now. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So you were only able to recall only these two examples. Yeah. So the
Hmm.
first one which we're talking about the reservations, right? So I also agree
Yeah.
with you that we should not have this kind of reservations and all, because the because the person or the people who are really very much qualified, they don't get the
mm,
job, you know, just
mm,
because of this
mm.
caste system and all that. Because most of us
Yeah,
belong from general category right now.
yeah, mm,
That is what the main thing is. But this OBCs and all, they will take the job, even though they are not that much talented. Just because of this
mm,
reservation system, now they will just occupy that job.
mm.
So that's, I think that's not a
Yeah.
very good thing.
Mm.
Yeah.
And I also want to do something in education department. Okay,
Mhm.
it India is only one country. Okay, but in India there are so many means education board. Okay, so what
Yes.
happens? Actually, the percentage of any number or any examination, it differs from board to board. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that I think you also belong to Jharkhand, so I think you know very well that what is the result of Jharkhand board,
Yes. So you're
right?
talking about this year, right now?
Yeah, this year I think this is much better than earlier. But you know what happens? Generally, the Jack students, they don't get so many percentage in their board. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, but where the another board like CBC or any board, they means they are getting so much percentage in their board. Okay, so what happens whenever they are compared to each other, to each board, then they get so many difficulties to find a job, and especially in post office or whatever, we find so many difficulties in that, right? So I will try to impose only one board for whole India.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yeah, so you mean that India should not have CBSE, ICSE, Bihar or state
yeah,
boards and all, but it should be combined only one
yeah,
board. This is
yeah,
what you mean? Right, Nima?
yeah,
Yeah.
and there should be only one syllabus.
Yeah.
If state wish, then they can impose or they can subtract some subjects or paper, but I think there should be 2 to 3 papers same. This should be common for all Indians, for all students, right?
Yeah. Right, right,
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, maybe if you were a prime minister, then I think you would have done these things. And so, like,
Yeah.
have you ever thought that you will go to politics and all, and someday will join some
No,
party,
never.
BJP? Never.
No, never. Yeah. If I say really honestly, then I hate politics. Means I hate politics. Okay, I
Oh,
don't believe in that.
okay. So you hate it. Yeah, fine. It depends person to person. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
because in politics there are a lot of nepotisms and all. So I
Hmm.
think that is one of the main reasons why most of the people they hate this
Hmm.
Congress party, BJP party, and all that politics schemes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways,
So what about you? So what about you? Do you want to jump into politics?
no, no. I already told you the reason. The reason is nepotism. If you don't have
Hmm.
that, your father is not in, a very big party and all. So I think it's very difficult for you to get a right position and all, and there will be a lot of discriminations and all. So that's the
Hmm.
reason why I hate politics. So I also hate. I am
Okay.
also same.
So would you like to reform the nepotism in politics?
If I get a chance, then definitely yes.
I think for that you will have to uh, go in politics. Otherwise, you can't do it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That is what the main thing is. That is what the main thing is all about.
So in last, I would like to ask only one question. Suppose if you were a prime minister, so would you like to visit the election rally?
Election rallies.
Yeah.
Sometimes, I think we should have a knowledge of everything. So yeah, sometimes I would love to go there because then only I will see that this happens. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of gatherings and all. So I think it would be a very nice experience. So I would love to do that. Yeah.
Okay, but I think if you want to visit any place, okay, for getting some knowledge, for experience, okay, so you can visit anytime. So why should you go in the election time?
Just to get that experience. Okay, I give you an example. Suppose
Hmm.
you are going to this temple, suppose you're going to
Hmm.
a temple. So the
Hmm.
vibe which you will get during a festival and an
Hmm.
ordinary day will be different. During festival there will be a lot of lights, decorations, and all. So at that time your experience will be different. And
Hmm.
when you go any ordinary or a normal day, then there will
Hmm.
be not much more things to see. So that is what the main difference is. No,
Hmm.
I think I have cleared your
Yeah.
doubt
Okay,
right now.
but you know what happens when that you are already a prime minister, okay? And if you want to visit a rally, then you know how much tension would be there for the police officer or for the government, okay? And you know how will it cost
Yeah.
for that? Do you believe or not?
For security, pardon?
Yeah, for
Maybe in
security
lakhs.
sector, or for that the government will have to spend so much money for that. Okay, because you are
Mhm.
already a prime minister, so you can't go means easily there.
Okay, so
Okay,
Nayan, it was very nice talking to you, and I hope that we'll meet in our next session. So till then, now goodbye and take care. Signing off. Bye.
okay, okay. Bye.